So how can we cut our carbon footprint? If you have to use a car, try not to use a gas-guzzling vehicle. Switch off unnecessary lights and appliances.
Hello, I'm Cllr Gareth Ratcliffe, the County Councillor for Hay-on-Wye, and my brief talk regarding Hay is the works we'll be doing to lower carbon. There's several things going on. We've got the Transition Town movement, which is just started within Hay, and we're looking at allotments, working inside with the local community. We've had activity days when we've had zero cars in town, bike days, and with this year we're looking to work with them to formulate a day where the town main street will be developed solely for foot people, no cars, and we'll get the businesses out on the street to a good old-fashioned market one Saturday in the late September. Many other things that we've done is the recycling in the main car park next to the school. All the recycling that comes back into that, Powys County Council will then give the money back to the Hay Town Council, and with that we're generating about £3,500 per year, which we give to local organisations, which is a big benefit, which encourages them to recycle. And one of the main things since I've been a county councillor has been the street lighting issue, which I met with several residents in Hay. We went around deciding which lights we wanted on, off, and also the ones onto park night lighting. Overall, Powys now last year saved 85 tonnes of carbon on their street lighting project.